All right, here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read this problem, and then we will work on it. So in this problem it says, an engineer designs a flashlight with a parabolic mirror. A coordinate system is chosen so that the vertex of a cross section through the center of the mirror is located at 0, 0. The equation of the parabola is modeled by x squared equals 8y, where x and y are measured in centimeters. So part A is where should the bulb be placed to make use of the reflective property of the parabola? That is, find the location of the focus. Okay, so what we have is this flashlight, right? And so that has a parabolic inside, right? If you took the lens off, right, took the plastic lens off, you would have this here. And you have a bulb in the middle, right? You usually have a hole with the bulb that you screw in, right? So let's say we have this and we want to find out where should we do the bulb. Turns out that the best place is the focus, right? So they want to know the location of the focus. So the vertex, they're telling us there is going to be considered at the origin. Okay? So that's going to be 0, 0, right? And so what they want to know is, where is the focus? Where should we put the bulb or the filament, right? If we have the bulb, where should the filament or the center of the bulb be located to get maximum reflective properties, to be able to use the maximize the reflective properties of the parabolic lens? So we want to find the focus, right? That's what we're looking for. Okay? And we're given this equation that represents the parabolic curve cross-section of the lens, I guess. The shape of the reflective material. And so now, let's use this information. Okay, so we start with the understanding of the basic equation, right? So if we understand the basic equation of what it looks like, then we can figure this out, right? So we know that this has to match 4py, right? So if this is 8, that means p has to be 2. So that means this has to be equal to 2y, right? And so we know p is equal to 2. So that means we know that this distance is equal to p. Right. So, and it also equal to 2. Now 2 what? They told us that it's measured in centimeters. So the distance p is 2 centimeters. So if this is the origin, that means the light bulb should be at what? 0, 2. Or located 2 centers above the vertex, 2 centimeters above the vertex, right? Which is going to be located at the focus, okay? Now, incidentally, since it's positive, we know the parabola opens upward. Now, part B says, write an equation of the directrix. Okay, well this just comes back from what we know from the summary table, right? Or what we know about the characteristics. We know that the directrix is going to be equidistant, right, from the vertex as the focus is. So we know this is going to be P, right? But it's going to be negative, so the directrix is going to be here, and it's going to go through what? It's going to be y equals negative P, which is 2, right? So negative 2. So y equals negative 2 is the equation of the directrix. And that's it. Not bad. Have a good day.